Hola amigos, today we're going to be making a vegan version of carne en su jugo, which is a traditional dish from my family's home state of Jalisco. It's so easy to make, so flavorful, and I promise you are not going to miss the meat in this vegan version. Traditionally, it's made with beef cooked in a salsa verde, then served with frijoles de olla and some delicious garnishes. I promise you're going to love this. Let's get started. First, we need to rehydrate the vegan beef, which I use textured vegetable protein. I'll link to the one I used, and then you're just going to rehydrate that in the microwave. All instructions are going to be listed below in the description and in the recipe card on my blog. And once the vegan beef is rehydrated, you're going to chop that up into even bite-sized pieces. And then you are going to heat up some oil in a large pot and you're going to cook some cebollitas. Now, we cut off the top green part, but don't worry, we're going to use that later. And then you're just going to saute the onion and the jalapenos, until they are nice and charred. And this is all to give our carne en su jugo lots and lots of flavor. And while that's cooking, you're going to make the salsa verde, and that is made with tomatillos, the little bits of the green onion, and some Roma tomato, some white onion, and some chile. You can use serranos if you like it spicy, or a mixture of serranos and jalapenos like I do. And then you're going to add some cilantro and just blend that until it's nice and completely smooth. By now, the cebollitas and the chiles should be done. So you're going to remove those. Now, traditionally, carne en su jugo, one of the things that gives it so much flavor is the bacon. I don't have vegan bacon, and so I use mushrooms that I saute until they're nice and crispy, and I add some liquid smoke and some smoked paprika to give them that smoky flavor. You're going to take some of the mushrooms out and just leave a few. Then you're going to add your onions sauteed, and then you're going to add your vegan beef to the pot, and then just saute it until it starts to get some crispiness to it. And you're going to add all the seasonings, and you're going to saute that for a few minutes, and then pour in the salsa verde and just make sure that it's nice and well mixed. I added some beef bouillon powder, and then you're going to add back the cebollitas and the chiles, and you're just going to let that simmer until it's nice and like the salsa has been absorbed into the vegan beef. And then traditionally people serve the frijoles on the side, but I like to add them just to give my stew like more flavor. And then you're going to add water or vegetable broth to the pot, and then you're just going to let that simmer for a little while longer, just to let all the flavors like really absorb into each other. And it's so delicious. Don't forget to salt, but do taste it and adjust the salt to your flavor. Now, to serve it, you serve it in a big bowl with the cebollita and the chile, and then you're going to add some chopped white onion, cilantro, lime, radishes, and then you're going to top with some of that mushroom bacon that we made, and that's it. Serve it with some corn tortillas too on the side if you'd like, and a spicy salsa. Full recipes on my blog and the description. Enjoy.